Yini ama-Epstein files? I have to take a very complicated topic and simplify so that you understand. Okay, it's fine. The truth shall set you free. Asqale. This is Jeffrey Epstein. He made millions, no, he made billions from selling secrets to the government and also selling induku zokuqhweba to anyone ozothenga, including ama-nuclear. And then he made billions, waba rich. But Jeffrey Epstein had a problem. He really loved Abashana. I mean, he really loved Abashana and he preferred Abashana abano 1.5 and below. Understand what he only loved to hug Abashana. If you don't get it, forget about it. Unfortunately, due to laws and regulations and the society in Georgia, he could not pursue his love for Abashana and hugging Abashana kuphela. And so, since he was already a billionaire, he bought an island and built himself a paradise yakhe. It cost him $106 million. Since he was already a billionaire, he then went on to hire people to locate Abashana for him from all walks of life, black, white, purple, pink, as long as Gumshan. And then Labo Bashana were transported to his island, his paradise. The minute befika Abashana, baphucwa ingubo, and then they would walk around. Nje. Yabo. And then Jeffrey Epstein went on to pursue a career yakhe in private island yakhe, where he would only hug Abashana on a daily basis, different kinds of Abashana. It's alleged that kwakugcwala more than 20 to 30 Yabashana on that island, and he did that for years. Ihlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, and understand ukuthi when it comes to ama-Epstein files kuningi okwenzeka. Si-include the selling of induku zokuqhweba, si-include the selling of ama-nuclear, si-include the selling of ama-secrets of governments all over the world. But the most important part is include the hugging of Abashana. The crazy part about this section of ama-Epstein files is that Jeffrey Epstein ubengayenzi yedwa lento. Understand ukuthi he had friends ebebenza bonke lento, including him. Nalo naye wayenza lento naye. Nalona wayenza lento. If you don't know this guy, he created the whole Virgin Active brand, including the airline. Naye. Even Bill Gates is involved, even Elon Musk, a lot of people appear on the Epstein files. In the section, you Bashana. Yeah, ne?